Most people don't realize they have two invisible forces shaping every decision: instinct and intuition. One keeps you safe, the other guides you towards something deeper. But how do you tell the difference? Instinct is survival. It's automatic. It's hardwired into us. It's why you yank your hand away from fire or feel your stomach drop before danger. It's primal. It's your body's built-in alarm system. Intuition is different. It's not about survival. It's about understanding. That quiet feeling, like you just know something without knowing why. It's experience, subconscious wisdom, showing up as a whisper. So what's the real difference? Instinct reacts. It's fast, automatic, rooted in biology. Intuition reflects. It's subtle, insightful, built from experience. Think of it this way. Instinct saves you from danger. Intuition leads you toward truth. But here's the problem. Most people mistake one for the other. They let fear, instinct, make choices where they should be listening to wisdom, intuition. Ever felt a strong gut feeling but ignored it? Or made a snap decision you later regretted? That's the crossroads where instinct and intuition collide. To navigate wisely, you need balance. So next time your gut speaks, ask yourself, is this instinct keeping me safe? Or intuition guiding me towards something deeper? Mastering the difference? That's the key to making better choices in every part of life. If you're ready to sharpen this skill, a life coach can help. Because trusting yourself isn't just a skill, it's an art. Which one drives your decisions? Instinct or intuition? Let's talk in the comments.